Hello and welcome. I am Sophie, one of your free spirit assistants.
And I am Daniel, another one of your free spirit assistants. We love to cook and create recipes. It is a great stress reliever.
Today we're walking through the Cozy Kitchen Cookbook by Life Pages, available from Free Spirit Books. This cookbook is organized, fun, and easy to use. No internet, no flipping through messy pages, no hassles. It works on your desktop, tablet, or phone, so your favorite recipes are always with you. You can store your favorite recipes, tweaks, and special editions, holiday favorites, family traditions, and use it year after year, season after season. Before we get started, please like, share, and subscribe. We need your help to spread the word, and we truly appreciate you. Now let me ask you, are you a master home cook, but you can't remember how you altered that recipe to get that perfect taste? You're not alone. We've all been there. With the Cozy Kitchen Cookbook, you can share a recipe, print a page, or keep everything neat and private, whatever works best for you. So, let's get started.
After you download your cookbook, you can use any free PDF reader, or apps like Notability, GoodNotes, Adobe Reader, or any similar program. Today, I'm going to walk you through using Adobe Reader, since that's one of the most common free options. You can stay completely digital and organized. Here we go. When you open the planner, you'll see the main title page. You may want to adjust a few viewing options in your PDF reader. On the right side, you might see bookmarks with page numbers. There's also an option with several icons. If you choose the bottom one, you can view thumbnails of all pages. That part is completely up to you. On the left side, you can close the panel using the X at the top to save space. Next, you'll see introduction page, dedication page, welcome page with instructions, then something unique, a seasoning guide, which is incredibly helpful when creating new recipes. This is followed by kitchen tips and substitutions. Some of them might surprise you. Next comes kitchen measurement conversions, very helpful. And at the bottom of that page, there's space for your own special notes and tricks. Now we get to the table of contents, which is basically your homepage. You'll see all your categories like appetizers, casseroles, drinks, desserts, and more. There are 8 categories to keep your recipes organized. You can jump to any category you want, and you can press the home button anytime to return. Now for the recipe pages. You can skip around and add recipes wherever you want, or simply follow each field using your tab key. First, enter your recipe title. You can add a picture or skip it. Next, enter how many servings. Then, cooking temperature, cook time, and cooking method, like air fryer, baking, crockpot, stovetop, and so on. Now add your ingredients. Below that are your instructions. Most importantly, don't forget to save your work using the top left menu. And that's it! It's so easy! You have plenty of blank pages for all your recipes and creations. Being organized really can be fun and stress-free. Enjoy your cozy kitchen!
If you love being organized, calm, and intentional living tools, this digital cookbook is part of the Free Spirit collection, including Life Pages journals and printable planners designed to simplify your life, not complicate it. Or take a break and have some fun with Brain Break's adult activity books. You can find the shop link below in the description.
If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And I want to know, what is one of your best discovered cooking hacks? Do you have a favorite substitution? A special go-to ingredient? What do you love most? Baking, grilling, slow cooking? Comment below. Let's share our creations together and keep the conversation going. Remember, organization brings peace, clarity brings confidence, and simple systems create calm. You've got this. We'll see you in the next video.